Tamil Techno friends. Today we are going to review the Windows 10 creator updates. First, getting to the settings. In that, click system icon. We can see a lot more options in the left side. First, we can get into the display. We can change the brightness of the display. According to our need. Below that, we can give a night light option also, and we can change the scale and layout of the screen, and also we can change the screen resolution according to our needs. Then we are going to notification and action bar. In that, we can see a number of tiles to the quick action tab. We can add or remove that quick action according to our needs. It can accessible on the right bottom of the screen through a small square box, and then we can get into the power and sleep mode. Later we can access to the letter. We can see the number of notification action apps. Then go to the power and sleep. We can change the sleep and battery percentage. Then we can go to the battery percentage, battery overheat. We can 100% battery percentage. We can also turn up and off the battery saver, and we can see the number of storage is available and their storage capacity. We can exclusive feature of storage sense. We can clean up the free space, and we have tablet mode, and we have multitasking. And then we can see about this PC. It shows the Windows 10 Enterprise version 1703. It's a recent update one. Next, we are getting to the home settings, and we can see the number of devices which are connected to the device, and we can also add the printers. We can also add the Wi-Fi printer also. Then we have pen and Windows sync option. It exclusive work on the supportive devices only. We can also have the autoplay and USB options. Then we are getting to the settings home, and we selected the network and internet. We can see the mobile hotspot and data usage options. The data usage option shows the number of how much amount of data is being used by the apps. These are all the data. We can also access for the Wi-Fi and also for the Ethernet also. And that we have mobile hotspot. We can on the mobile hotspot whenever the internet is connected to the device. And we have VPN and airplane mode and Ethernet and Wi-Fi. We can also shows the status of the network. And then we getting to the personalization home. We can change the background according to our needs, such as slideshow and solid colors. And then we choose the amount of picture to be fit to the screen, and then we getting to the colors. We can automatically select pick the color, and we can choose the manual color according to our needs. This is the exclusive feature on the Windows 10 creator updates. We can choose number of multiple colors. We can add to the both the title and bottom bar. It shows start and taskbar and action bar at the bottom and tiles bar on the top. We can choose the default app mode to dark color. We turn fully dark, and we getting to the lock screen. In that, we can choose the background out to the customs and choose the app to show the notification on the taskbar along with the Cortana. And we can getting to the themes, which is exclusive to the Windows 10 new updates. We can choose the background and color and the sound settings and mouse cursors. In previous sessions, these all options are hidden back, and we can also number of things through the Windows stores. And next, go to the start setting. So more tiles on start. This mean the number of tiles shown in this is reduced. If these features are on this, the number of tiles are shown are increased. So app list in start menu. There is no app list in the start menu. Now we can click here. We can also access the number of app lists in the start menu. This is the new feature in Windows 10 creator update. We can straight away access the apps to options to use start full screen. It shows full screen with app tiles. You can also opt that one. We have taskbar to show the number of taskbar settings. Go to the home settings and then click the apps button. In that, it shows the number of apps being installed on the system. We can access through it. You can also select the warn me before installing apps from the outside apps, allow apps from the store only, and the number of apps being installed is on below this. We can uninstall from here also. And we have default apps, selecting the default apps for email, maps, music and photo on video player and web browser also. We can select it to the here. And then we are getting to the offline maps, and we are getting to the gaming mode. In this Windows 10 Creator Update, there is an exclusive feature on gaming mode. You can use this for high level games. And then we are getting to the update and security. In that we can see a Windows Defender separate icon. We can choose that. Open Windows Defender and Security Center. The UI has been changed. For that, we can see the virus threat and protection, device performance and health, firewall and network protection, app browser and control, and family options being this. We don't need any third-party antivirus for this Windows 10 Creator Updates. We can straight away see to the start button, and we can also have the improved Cortana settings. The recognizability of Cortana has been changed, improved lot. That's all friends. Thanks for watching this video.